Mr. Wallace, I'm here, sir. Fitzroy Lopez. Where do I set up? So, Mr. Wallace, I'll be recording and posting this on my YouTube channel. Are you okay with that, sir?
Well, that's the reason why I called you here, Mr. Lippy.
Lopez! It's Lopez!
What?
Lopez! It's French. You know what? Just call me Fitzroy. I have to cut this out. Action! Just use Fitzroy, okay?
Okay, boss. Fitzroy.
Good afternoon, viewers and subscribers. This is Fitzroy Lopez with another episode on Chat to Me TV. Now today, our special guest is none other than Member of Parliament, Marcus Wallace. Now, Minister Wallace, or should I say former Minister Wallace.
I would prefer newly appointed.
Okay, so now you have some news to tell the public. Go ahead.
Well, first, I'd like to thank you, Mr. Lippy.
Cut! Cut! Oh my God, I have to do this again. Minister, you have to remember, it's the pie. The pie. Jesus. Okay. Action!
As I was saying, Mr. Lippy,
Yeah.
thank you for conducting this interview and agreeing to do it. Well, to start, I have given years of service to the RPJ. I have written, not just written, but implemented real policies that has made real changes in this country. But now, I feel like my services are no longer needed or appreciated.
And now that is because of who? Minister Dalis. Now you take away your seat.
I wouldn't say take away. He was given the seat to continue the work that I was doing because I was away for a while.
You mean in the madhouse?
Listen to me, Mr. Lapay. I was never in a madhouse. I was in an institution that rehabilitate persons who are going through stressful periods. I wish this narrative would stop about madhouse.
All right. Anything you say? So how long were you in the, institution? How long were you in the institution?
A couple months. And when I returned, Minister Daly did not want to give up that seat, all because of his political ambition.
So, Minister, what are you saying? Everton Daly thief your seat?
Well, thief is a strong
Minister,
word.
me never said that. Me never said thief. Me said thief your seat. That me say.
Nonetheless, it's a strong word, and he has made it a point of duty. He has made it his point of duty to take credit for all the work that I have done and taking it on himself as if it was his work. It's not his work.
So that means a trouble in the party then?
Mr. Lippy, there's no trouble in the party. just a disagreement between two ministers.
So, Minister, turn to the camera and tell the people them the main announcement you want to make this evening. Here's the camera right here, sir.
I have been in politics for over 25 years, and my track record is proof that I'm committed to the people. It is all the implementations that I've put in place, everything that has been smooth tracked has been my doing. And to be fair, I feel as if I am not serving the people the way I really should. Almost as if I'm sidelining the people that the reason why I went into politics is the people. To be there for the people, to ensure that their lives are lifted up, to ensure that the standard of living is second to none. And I feel that my party has been scavely putting all of my passion to the side and not being supportive for these policies and these plans that I have in place. So what I am planning to do, or what I have done, I should say, is to make real change to the other party.
You done?
Yes, I'm finished.
So, Minister, we are say, you are switch?
You really have a way with words, Mr. Lippe. That is such a negative word. We all want to fulfill our calling. And that's what I am doing.
And you are not concerned that the people will call you a traitor?
I cannot be concerned about what people think. I have to go where I can do the most for the people.
So, have you already resigned from the position in the RPJ?
I tendered my resignation last week, so yes, I have.
And you now have a position in the OPJ?
Yes, that's correct. But that will be announced at a different date.
Viewers and subscribers, you have heard it here first on Chat to Me TV. Minister, gone over the other side.
Hey, Mr. Lippe, that is very inaccurate. I am now a member of the OPJ. That sounds very suspect. Make sure you didn't put that in the interview.
All right, sir. Gone over the other side.
Mr. Lippe, you cannot record and put that on the program.
My apologies, Minister. Viewers and subscribers, the Minister has resigned from the ruling party of Jamaica and is now signed to the opposition party of Jamaica. That sound better?
Yes. And I want the people to know that despite my switch, wherever I go, my vision and policies remain in line with the people's development and to ensure that the best is given to the Jamaican people.
So, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. This is the man for the people, Minister Wallace. This is Chat to Me TV, and I am your host, Fitzroy Lapai. There you have it. Next week, we're going to chat about rules in Jamaica. And my cousins, and him half a dozen baby mother them. That is it. All right, Minister. So, hold on, Minister. Minister, hold on. You have a question I want to ask you. The man with them shoot over Port Royal. Me hear say your name a call up. You involved? Yeah! I just a question me ask you, sir.